So hello guys, it's a perfect day, perfect weather to continue on the things that we once started and we were far from completing it. So the game that we were working on, right? Advent. A lot of things happened over the past 6 months. I was trying to get more knowledge on how the Bevy works, the entirety of it. What would be the nice particle system, animations. I was exploring some of the 3D aspects as well. I had to move to a different city and things happened, so I lost some of my consistency. Yep, that happened. Now with that out of the way, it's time that we get back our consistency and get back on the path. So what next? There's this game apart from Advent that I have been working on. It's called Meteor Mayhem. So it's something similar, except that the turret that was in the center on the spaceship, now we are trying to leverage the ECS system in a better in a complete way. So what entity component system is, ECS is that there are going to be entities, there are going to be components, and we can use systems to manipulate or update or change these data components, whereas the entities are just the IDs. Now next is, so imagine the same turret, now two of them on a spaceship, and imagine that if a missile hits the turret gets destroyed. Well, that's kind of obvious, right? But earlier you had two turrets, so you could fire from two turrets in the game. Now because of this ECS thing, there would be other ways as well to achieve the same, but what I'm planning to do is something like one of these turrets can be destroyed, and hence we can get multiple such turrets on the same spaceship. We can get such power-ups, and modular is what I'm trying to say. So a modular system where turret is a different component, my spaceship is a different component, mouse controls turrets, so turrets aim around using the mouse, and my keyboard controls my spaceship, so I can move around using my keyboard. So that's there. These are the controls. Now the background, it's a space background, so there are nebulas, there are planets have asteroid belts, and planets have cosmic lights that are emitting out of planets, so that looks really nice. There are many more features that I have added so far, and I am continuously adding, I must say. But yes, this is about Meteor Mayhem. For some more time, while we are learning things, I will be continuing with Meteor Mayhem. This thing, Advent, is still in progress. It's on hold, so I will not be working on Advent for some time, because my vision for Advent is a little different, and for that I need to learn a few things. And while I'm learning those things, I don't want to sit idle, so I'm learning those things by creating another such game in which I learn how to do these things. The name of this game is Meteor Mayhem. So yes, this is the entirety of it. I will be posting now onwards regularly. So that is it.